Step 3, comparing head reverse logistic process. Collection and sorting. With the entry of the internet into daily life of society, consumer, consumptions of electrical and electronic equipment has shown a significant rise at the national level. According to Mintic, only the number of connected mobile devices in the country in 2018 was of 62.2 millions, and then announced that 29.3% of households in the country have desktop computer, laptop, or table. However, Munoz highlights that at the end of the day, useful life or begin considered obsolete. These devices become gerbat and contain a variety of material which, in not careful handling, can be dangerous for the environment and public health. Proposal of a rebel logistic strategy. In this case, I'm taking the Apple brands as an example. I propose in the area of technology and taking into account the care of nature, the implementation of extra bonds for people who return their equipment to the stores, and these are taken as a part of payment for the actions for a new product. As a final disposition in the remanufacturing centers, they select as part of components that can be recovered and those that must be discarded, as well if of the free recycling tool is consumed, which include collection, transport, recycle, and certificates, and warranted the remote data from hard drives that are going to be resolved. As very vaccine raising question. Priorities. This system is implemented in order to develop a sustainable economy that produces effective and positive change in the environment. Means, in this case, for the use of equipment machine, the consumer says people will be insured who will be suspected by the administration of the place and communing with the consumer, in this case at the time of exchange to all product for all one. They use appropriate the store and makes in the making.